Oh, what's going on, guys? So basically I've got van troubles. I think it's either the starter motor or the battery, but I'll show you what's happening.
Press and hold button for 2 seconds to call the emergency service.
Never heard that before. Didn't even know it had a little lady in the dashboard, if I'm honest. Right, so yeah, let's try and jump start it. Quick update on the van, guys. So I've been to my friend this morning and basically he's tested the battery out. Battery's absolutely fine, and he said it's the starter motor that's faulty. So this thing eats starter motors, and I think it's because I'm pretty much like a delivery driver. I'm on and off the key loads of times a day. That's probably the reason. So yeah, got myself a new starter motor, hearth and bus. I've been told that it's a really decent starter motor, so it should last me a while, 2-year warranty, so thumbs up on that one. And I got a new hat. Check the new hat out. Most expensive hat I've ever bought, let me tell you, but well worth it. And it's even got a bobble on the top. Chuffed to bits. Yeah, so we're off to my brother's house now to go and do the patio. I've not got my pressure washer with me, so should be quite interesting. So yeah, let's get on the road, let's get driving, and I'll see you there, guys. We are now at my brother's house, and basically I'm going to show you the little patio, what we've got to clean. I've had to bring all the equipment through the house. There is a gate either side, so there's a gate here, and I don't know if you can see that with the sun, there's a gate here as well, but basically you go through about 10 gardens to get to either side, so you have to come through the house. So yeah, let me show you the job in hand, and I'll explain how we're going to clean it. So basically they're not too bad. There's just little bits of moss and stuff in the joints, which I'm going to use a wire brush to clean that first. Obviously they're quite green as well. And then sodium hypochlorite, bleach. We're going to put that in the watering can, mix that up, spray it up, put it all down, and then scrub it in with the sweeping brush, and then hopefully just rinse it off with the hose pipe. So yeah, it should be fun and games. Let's get cracking. Guys, I am not going to lie to you. That was labour intensive. I didn't expect it to take me that long, and I'm so glad it's such a small area. Yeah, give me a jet wash any day of the week. That was hard work. I'm going to soak everywhere first, even though it's quite wet, but all these wooden sleepers, soak them down just so that they don't get affected by the bleach. So yeah, let's put some hypo down and crack on. The job's not done yet. Shouldn't really take my mask off, guys, but I wanted to talk to you. So yeah, put the bleach down. What do you think? You can see it's turning colour already. Changing colour, should I say. Get my words right. It's looking so much better. Oh, sun's that side. Give that about 10 minutes or so, and then we'll get rinsing off and we'll see what we're left with. But so far, chuffed with that one. I'll be honest with you, I've never done this before. I've always used a pressure washer, obviously because it's a lot easier and a lot quicker. I mean, give you some context, with a pressure washer, I'm not kidding when I say this would have probably took me 15-20 minutes. That's from setting up, cleaning it and packing away. I may have come into some issues with flooding, but in terms of cleaning it, would have been a lot quicker. But again, this is quite cool and satisfying to show you that you guys at home, if you can get hold of some sodium hypochlorite, which is, I buy it from a local dairy farm supply shop, so a farm shop, they sell it usually. It's called Red Label hypochlorite. Chuck it in a watering can. Either order a bit of surfactant off the internet, which is basically, it's what gives it that fluffiness, them bubbles, but chuck that in the watering can with it, a little cap full or so. The surfactant is basically, that helps it to stick to the surface and work. So, and also it can act as a smell masker as well, keeps the smell down, but a lot of people like the smell because it smells like a swimming pool. So but yeah, anyway, enough waffling. Let's get the hose out and rinse it off, and we'll see what we're left with. So here we are, guys, back at the job. I can't wait for you to see these results. I'm so chuffed with them. Let's have a look. sure you'll all agree that them results are spot on. I am so chuffed with that, considering I've never done it, like I said in the video earlier on. But yeah, as always guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I've got something exciting in the pipeline. My next job is going to be, it's a free clean that I'm doing for a local school, which I'm so excited about and I can't wait to show you. So thanks a lot everyone, take it easy, see you next time, cheers.